Hey, this is Joshua from the Idea Mobile. Today Honor has launched their latest flagship smartphone in London, the Honor 20 series. And we were fortunate enough to receive a unit to do a quick unboxing and hands-on to show you guys what the Honor 20 has to offer. Let's cut this short and do a quick unboxing right now. Here's the box of the Honor 20. Let's open up and see what's inside. This is the Honor 20 in Sapphire Blue. Let's put the phone aside and see what's other things. First, you see the SIM ejector tooth. Inside the box should have come along with a clear TPU case. Next is the Huawei supercharged power adapter that output at 22.5 watts. This is a USB Type-C cable with purple inner marking. USB Type-C to audio jack. Let's check out the phone. First, let's peel off the real plastic. The reflective back is made out of glass that has shimmering blue. The display has a pre-affixed screen protector out of the box. On top of the phone is a noise cancelling mic, earpiece, ambient light sensor and antenna band. At the bottom is the microphone, USB Type-C, speakers and antenna bands. On the right side is the power button with fingerprint scanner built in and volume rockers. Finally, the left side is a dual nano SIM tray. Sorry, no micro SD card slot. Let's check out the spec sheet. It's powered by Huawei Kirin 980, which found on the Huawei P30 Pro and the P30, and as well the Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro. It has 6GB of RAM, 128GB on box storage, quad rear cameras, 3750mAh battery, and it runs on EMUI 9.0 based on Android Pie. It sports a 6.25-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with a hole punch notch that houses a 32MP selfie cameras. The quad rear camera consists of a 48MP main sensor, a 16MP ultra-wide lens, a depth sensor, and an all-new macro lens. Here are some photos taken by Honor 20. The Honor 20 is expected to launch on the 23rd of May in Malaysia, and the pre-order will take place on the following days on the 24th. A comprehensive review will be available on our website very soon. Link will be in the description below. So, what do you think about the Honor 20? Do leave a comment down below. Do consider subscribe to our YouTube channels, follow us on social medias, Facebook and Instagram. My name is Joshua Wong. Thank you for watching. Signing off.